One of the most important things that you need to know about the math course is that when you click on modules, the first thing you'll see is a file that says need help, look here. So this is a module that doesn't have any assignments, but it has all of the information that will help you be successful in math class. So the first thing you can see is how to contact teachers and staff. In this file, you can see Miss Gilder's phone number, all of your teachers' Instagrams, emails. You'll see the phone numbers and emails of counselors, the assistant principal, other staff that can support you on campus. So if at any point you need to talk to an adult on campus, you can click how to contact teachers/staff, and you can find phone numbers, Instagrams, and emails here. The link to sign up for Edulastic is here. Remember that Edulastic is the website that we use to complete our math assignments. All of the schedules for the colleges are here, so if you're not sure what time a class starts, you can check the Q1 schedules. Any notes from a day that you've missed class or notes that you didn't complete in class will be linked here for you to watch the video solutions, see the completed notes, so that you can be successful. So if you miss a day of class, it's your responsibility to complete the notes by checking the Zoom class notes and videos and writing down anything you miss. You can also request a check-in with Miss Gilder. So a check-in can be anything from tutoring, so like one-on-one tutoring, if you just want to talk about something or just hang out, eat lunch, whatever it is, you can request a check-in with Miss Gilder at any point, and we can schedule that on Zoom, on the phone. There's a math student store. Throughout math class, you earn individual points that you can use to purchase things from a menu. And all of your points are always listed here for you to check and see how many points you have to spend on an item. And then the last few things on here are the links to progress trackers for each college. If at any point you want to check what work you have or have not completed, you can find that in the progress tracker. And then the most important thing in this Need Help Look Here section are your student folders. This is where all of your notes, so everything that will help you be successful for math class, will be in your student folder. And each student has their own folder with all of their notes and assignments inside.